Install a support on the door. The support must be 55 mm away from the side. Make an internal slot at the beveled edge of the door. Install the bottom rail first, then install the bottom rail. Attention, the joint between the two must be smooth and without gaps. Place the parts into the corresponding track in turn. Be careful in the right order. Install the outer L1 rail first. Connect the two tracks together using a connecting plate. After determining the position of the guide rail head, fix the guide rail with screws. Then slide the pulley into the door bracket, and then slide the door into the closed position. Be careful to slide the pulley to the end of the track. Tilt the door slightly and lift it. Then put in the bottom guide. Simply fix it with screws first. After the bottom guide is installed, adjust the door bracket first. Unscrew the adjusting screws in the bracket, adjust the front and rear, so that the door and the door frame are aligned horizontally and vertically. After the adjustment is complete, tighten all screws and bolts, and do the same for the other bracket. After adjusting the support, do not fix the buffer device first. After confirming that the sliding door is okay, install the buffer device. After the installation is complete, slide the door. If there is a problem with the buffer, it can be adjusted by adjusting the position of the buffer trigger. After the adjustment is completed, you need to tighten the screw. Adjust the top of the door and then adjust the bottom. First loosen the screw for easy adjustment, and then make sure that the door is parallel to the door frame before fixing the device. After the door is adjusted up and down, ensure that the sliding is okay, and then fix a buffer block on the L2 track and the bottom of the door. After the above steps are completed, make sure that the system installation is complete.